Welcome to the Field2Compliance OHST exam prep course, your step-by-step guide to mastering the science behind the Occupational Health and Safety Technician exam. Each lesson explains core topics like physics, chemistry, anatomy, and hazard control in plain, practical language made for busy professionals like you. In every video description, you'll find free resources, a short 3-question mock exam with explanations, downloadable notes for that lesson, and quick 3-second flashcards to help you lock in key terms. A separate 100-question digital mock exam is being built in Google Forms. It's fully self-graded and covers all OHST domains. Each question includes detailed explanations for right and wrong answers, plus links to 1 to 2 minute tip videos made for each question set. Start each lesson, download the notes, review the flashcards, then test yourself with the mini quizzes. When you're ready, move on to the full digital mock exam for a complete review. Everything here is built to help you study smarter, not harder. Let's begin your OHST journey with Field2Compliance.